This is how the ThingsBoard homepage looks like when you create your account and log into your account, and you will see some default devices and sensors and charging ports shown here. If you want, you can delete them, but you can also continue by having them as is. Now, this board, everything starts with a device. So what is device is basically is nothing but the one which receives the messages from your IoT device using the MQTT protocol. So like when we click here, you can see these are all the devices that are there already existing. So these are the devices that you see in the home page, which are mentioned right when we opened. Okay. So now let us continue with the devices. Now you have to create your own device in ThingsBoard for the data to be received. For that, if you see here, there is a plus mark. So click on plus mark, add a new device. Then this opens up. Okay. So here, what we can do is the device is, let us assume we are having a temperature sensor. Okay. Temperature sensor label, you can give sensor or something. Leave the default profile as is. Okay. And then you can see here, and once you have these details, below this you have something called click. Okay. So click on add now. Once you click on add, you will see your sensor here. Like if you want, you can click on this and then you can click on delete, or here also you can delete. So you can delete your device and then you can assign this to a specific customer. For example, let us assume you have several customers, you can assign it to a customer, and then you can also have credentials for this. So we will talk about those advanced features in the next videos. So this is how we create a device and name it in ThingsBoard. Now, this device can receive the data from your IoT device. We will see about it in the next video.